Today, we are going to introduce the MSL3N oxygen concentrator. It can generate a higher purity over 90%. It is widely to be used at home or at hospital, and its prominent advantages is extremely easy for operation. So, how does it work? Actually, you just need to take 5 steps to make it run. And now I'm going to show you how to work. First, you just need to take out the humidifier bottle and fill that with distilled water or pure water to the fine line right here, and then we put the bottle back, attach the tubing to the humidifier, then we connect the power supply, and set up the flow rate. Now the final step is to attach the nasal cleaner to the humidifier bottle, then attach the cleaner to the nose. As you can see, the bubbles is being generated in the bottle. It means the humidifier is delivering the oxygen to the tube. So here's the brief information and the main process of MSL3N. If you want to know more or have interest on it, just contact us. And thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.